Mr. Sonny, Mr. D's.
What in the world did you bring us to eat this morning?
Nothing, I ate a sausage biscuit. I'm following y'all all day long. I'm gonna be, I'll be in front of y'all, behind y'all, beside y'all.
You're gonna be lost.
You ain't gonna get
This
no
booger
fish.
hadn't been in this thing in so long.
Just tie a rope to the
This
back
is a
of the
nice
boat
looking boat.
so we don't lose you.
Yeah. I hope you ain't gonna know too much river flow in it.
Why is that?
That little old 45-pound thrust.
45 pounds. Where's that?
What is it?
76 or something like that.
75 pounds.
Something like that. It'll do it, son.
Oh yeah.
Kurt, whatever. Did Vanny get his?
No, he's headed to the house.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah, he couldn't get that trim motor to work.
Not today. I didn't get talked.
Friday the 13th. It happens. Don't let that boogeyman get y'all out there. I know Sonny will. Oh my God. It is that freaking time of the year, boys. Let me fix y'all real quick. How's that? Let me go down a little bit. Like I said, it is that time of the year. It is bass fishing time. I'm sorry I have been gone for so long. It's felt like forever. When hunting season comes around, I usually do this though. I'll go incognito mode just because I like enjoying hunting. Just quiet hunting, not having to worry about freaking anything really. Cameras and stuff like that. It's fishing, you can do it, and you have it all on your chest, and I have the mount back there so it just points at me at all the time. But like I was saying, with hunting you have to constantly be filming something. You got to keep up with it. You got to make sure people ain't getting bored, stuff like that. It's a lot easier to do with fishing than it is hunting. I'm kind of getting into it though, kind of working my way into filming hunting videos, but it's a work in progress. Anyways, this morning, if I could stop sniffling, we were going to be using a freaking buzz bait, baby. It is springtime. It is freaking cold outside. It's right at 50 degrees, so it's cold for a Florida boy like me. But we're gonna see if we can't catch us a bass this morning. Now, I've never fished this bank right here, but I've seen some good fish come off of it, so we're gonna at least try it this morning. River's low. We have not been getting any rain. I mean, little showers, but no rain. It kind of sucks. Because I like during the winter and stuff when we get a bunch of rain. We ain't really fishing that much. But it's going to make me think that during spring spawn and everything, we're going to get a lot of rain. It's going to mess them spawning fish up. There he is. All wrapped around my trolling motor. Whew, little feller, little feller, little feller. Ooh, warm. A lot warmer than it is out here. Get back to it, little buddy. Man, oh man, oh man. First fish in the boat. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, that's what you like to see. Didn't catch him the way I wanted to, and ain't the size I want, but hey, I can't complain about a 2026 bass. That's a 2026 bass right there, buddy. Golly, it's nice to be back. Whew, whew, whew. That bass smell, y'all know them river bass. They got that smell to them. That's addicting stuff right there. Oh. There he is. That's a good one. That's gonna be a keeper. I think. That was the first cast on this bank. He's gonna be right there at it if not. Let's see. Stay still, little buddy. Oh yeah. Oh yep. Oh yep. First one. First keeper in the boat. Let's go. That's what I'm talking about. Gonna be a good day today. It's the final countdown. That was the weirdest hook set ever. On a little filler. A little tiny guy. Third one of the day. Hey, can't be mad about it. Just be glad about it. We catching fish, baby. We catching fish. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I love flipping. Flipping is for me. I love flipping up underneath trees. Another one. Another good one. Yeah, decent. That's a dark fish. Really dark on his top. Really light on his bottom. I don't think he'll do 12. These fish are starting to warm up and get on these banks. That's all I got to say. And it's about to get crazy up in here. Up in here, up in here, up in here, up in here. Before I turn the camera off, I want to see if there's anything right here. There's one. Better one. Definitely a keeper. Definitely a keeper. Let's just double check though, because you never know. Oh yeah. All day long. Another fish in the boat, baby. Let's go. Bass came up to the boat to eat this joker. I ain't short on catching them, just short on the size. Still got 2 keepers, so ain't nothing to be mad about. Ain't nothing in the world to be mad about catching fish. Man, I've been missing this. Been missing hanging out with you guys and catching some fish. What the heck, dude? Short striking little jokers. That felt like a decent fish while he was pulling on it. Give him a second to reset, maybe he'll bite again. There he is. Little spotted bass. I don't think he'll be 12. He's got some teeth on him too. I don't think that's going 12. That would have been a nice eating though. There he is. Cold bass. First one that's been that cold. Let's go, baby. Another fish in the boat. He must have had it for a while. Trying to get a bird's nest out. He'll be close. I doubt it though. He actually goes 12. I mean, he's right there on the boundary line, but that works for me. We have 3 fish in the boat. Maybe we'll get our limit right here. I will run back over to the bay, fish the bay for a little while, then head back to Blackwater. See what we can do there. I just ain't getting no size over here. Oh, watch him come out of the air and eat it. Might be another 12-incher. Let's say maybe. No, this has been smaller than. No, definitely not. Shouldn't even have tried that. He did come out of that stump because I got a bad cast in there. I was reeling it back in and he came in there and chased it out. That was pretty snazzy. I do say so myself. Alright, we on the bay now. See if we can catch a couple fish right here on the bay. Whether it's a redfish or whatever. Maybe we'll catch something. I've caught bass out here before, so maybe we'll catch one of those too. We are beached. I guess the tide went out. That's crazy. Let's still use our trolling motor. We are in Blackwater. I do not like fishing this place, but it's whatever. I'm just gonna try our best here. Got him. That's a good one. That's a good one. Oh yeah. Okay, I can deal with that. I can deal with that. That'll be our 4th fish of the day. If I can get him right here. Without him getting me. Watched him come right out of them rocks for it. Nice dark bass. Whew. Dark fish. Let's go, baby. Then we get one more, and then we can start pulling out. Maybe. That's just it's a possibility. It ain't beating that.
My best out of the river in 612, and that was over in Chipola. Oh yeah.
There, man. You get some of the skinny stuff up there. I got a buddy of mine put the kayak in up there, man. He deer hunts over there, and that man, he said something else. I think that ain't right. I just need 2 of those tomorrow. I don't think that's right.
That's probably right.
They got one out of Highway 20.
That's probably right.
Aaron's putting it on. Yeah. They'll probably about 10 of those. And I'm telling you, it's probably getting right.
Is that Aaron's putting it on?
Aaron is, yeah. It's posted on
312. Hey, we whooped your ass there.
What'd you have?
4-4. Come on, baby, get in the bag.
Bought me a new bag and everything. That was what cursed me. This new bag. I was on Amazon. I was like, I probably need to get me a new bag. I seen this Fitzgerald mega bag, and I was like, yeah, that's what I'd do right there. And look at me, 3 pounds. This place sucks.